Pico 4 Enterprise. Pico released its prosumer headset to fully take on the Meta Quest Pro. This is a full-on war within virtual reality. What's going on to everyone watching? In this video, I'll be talking about the upcoming Pico 4 Enterprise from Bytedance and how it compares to the other prosumer headsets in the market to include Meta Quest Pro. What is the Pico 4 Enterprise and how does it differ from the original Pico 4, which is already released? The Pico 4 Enterprise added face and eye tracking for business use cases. The actual hardware is very similar to the Pico 4 with few major changes. The face cover now has a gold cover plate and the headset has 3 extra cameras which track your eyes and your facial expressions. It also got an upgrade on its RAM to the LPDDR5 RAM vice the LPDDR4 RAM in the consumer model. Basically, that means the RAM got an upgrade. This next feature is what I think is one of the coolest things. If you're already a VR headset user, I know you had times when the vision with your headset was blurry because it wasn't aligned properly with your eyes. Now, thanks to the eye tracking feature, the IPD of the headset will automatically adjust the separation between the lens to perfectly match the position of your eyes. This means that you will never get a blurry view as long as you have your headset on correctly, which is the first time we've seen this feature on a standalone headset. Let's get into the specs of the Pico 4 Enterprise. I honestly was not too impressed with the hardware specs as it is meant to be a Quest Pro competitor. The resolution comes in at 2160 by 2160, which is super clean, while the Quest Pro only has 1800 by 1920. Just for reference, the Vive Focus 3 has a 2448 by 2448 resolution, so the Pico 4 Enterprise will be somewhere between the Focus 3 and the Quest Pro. I was kinda sad when I saw the controllers will not have self-tracking, but they'll be tracked by the headset similar to the Quest 2. The battery life is listed at 2+ hours, so that makes me more comfortable than the 1 to 2 hours listed for the Quest Pro. Besides those, everything is pretty much the same compared to the original Pico 4 headset. I'll leave the paper comparison created by Upload VR, so if you're interested in the paper comparison between the Pico 4 Enterprise, Focus 3, and the Quest Pro, pause the video now. Just like how the Vive Focus 3 is marketed and sold to businesses with a business-oriented software system and features, the Pico 4 Enterprise will also be only sold to businesses. This headset will not allow you to access the consumer app store, but rather its own prosumer business app store. The price of the Pico 4 Enterprise will be 899 euros, which includes a business warranty, business license, and priority support. The price of this headset significantly undercuts the Vive Focus 3's 1,400 euro price tag as well as the Quest Pro's 1,800 euro price tag. Just as a side note, Meta has yet to release a headset only sold to businesses, but the rumors suggest that it will be coming in 2023. Back to the Pico 4 Enterprise, pre-orders began on November 1st for December shipping, and they claim that the headset will be readily available in January of 2023. Unfortunately, if you're not in the Middle East, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe, you will not be able to pre-order it, but I'm sure if you really want it, there will be ways to purchase them. If you're someone that's more interested in the consumer model, here's a video comparing Pico 4 and Meta Quest 2, so feel free to check that out.